Hello everyone and welcome to RigER webinar number 146. This morning we are going to talk about managing equipment repairs in RigER. You will find out how we can help you manage equipment repairs better, reduce downtime and boost productivity. And a little bit about our agenda today. In today's webinar, we'll be diving into a variety of important topics related to equipment repairs. We'll start by exploring the common challenges faced in equipment service and then move on to different repair scenarios that you encounter. We'll discuss both shop and field equipment repairs, providing practical insights and solutions for each setting. Additionally, we'll go over to effectively compile equipment repair reports to keep track of your work. Our presenters today are Michael, our CPO, and Alex, who is a software consultant here in RigER.
Oh, thank you, Dasha. Hello, everyone. I'm really excited to start our series of different webinars about equipment services. And today we'll talk about equipment repairs. So when you see in RigER, we have maintenance, inspections, and repairs as a separate modules, and there is some difference between where we use one or another or another. So, and the main difference between maintenance and repairs that the maintenance in RigER is a scheduled event. Repairs happening when happening. So we need to understand that the repairs as a parts and equipment status change, the maintenance have the checklist. We do not have checklist in repairs. Repairs can be done in the field, in the shop, and repairs is an unscheduled event happened by incident, after the job, or after the inspection. And we will consider today several types of repairs. We will review several types of repairs, and there are several complexity levels of the job, oilfield jobs in RigER. So the simple job, when we have a rental job, we have evaluation in the rental ticket return. So and this is the post-job repairs. And it's very simple queue of the document. When we have a delivery ticket, we have the rental ticket return, and then generating repair card. More advanced when the inspection model activated and we run inspections after the rental job. So in this case, we have rental ticket return, we have inspection card, and based on the inspection card result, we generating repair card or not generating repair card. And in some cases, after the repairs, we can run another inspection card, which called quality control, list of check points, check marks, and we're moving that. More advanced, more complex jobs could require assembly and disassembling and rework. So this usually we see for downhole tools when we have the assembly of the tool, then we have inspection, then we have a rental job, disassembly, inspection of the components, and there are two ways where they will go to the repairs or to the repairs and rework module, and then we run inspection again, the quality control, and next cycle started. So what we see as business challenges for equipment services. The equipment maintenance, repairs, and inspections can occupy from 20 to 60% of cost of operations, especially if you run equipment heavy business. Another problem is the part consumption. So when you post the repair card, you need to write off the parts from the balance. And time to time, it's become an issue because it can happen, the identifying the cost of parts, etc. Another thing is a list of comparable parts. So when you build the repair card, you need to see if this part comparable with this item or not. Another challenge which we faced, it's a multi-month repairs when we have long time repairs, it's a couple months repairs, and we need to track this as well. Field repairs, when we send our field technician to the job, and they need to fix everything. Inspections plus repairs can be a very complex document chain, quality control as well, and a separate rework module we use in RigER for outside repairs, so the third-party repairs, machine shops, etc. What we have as a repair tracker in RigER, the main document is a repair ticket or repair card, and we have for each unit number repair history with all the details, so you can see when it was repaired last time, after what job, who did that, what kind of comments we have. We have a list of comparable parts in the item. So each item you can build the repair list, and it will show automatically in the repair card. This done to make our and data entry faster. Billable and unbillable repairs. And of course, we can have attachments, which will help us to repair. Could be manual, could be other instructions, or it could be paper-based repair documentation. In general, shop repairs workflow looks like that. So we have the rental ticket return a service, or defective unit list, and generating repair card. Could be billable or not billable, included to the final invoice, not include final invoice, and then after the repairs, the status of the unit become available or ready to rent. It was general overview. However, if we talk about shop internal repairs, it starts from the defective unit list. When you go through the yard or shop and realize that this unit required repairs, then we start from not from repair card, but from the defective unit list, figure out the list of items required repairs, and creating repair card based on that defective unit list. And after the repairs, the repair card closed, and the unit returned to ready to rent status. Another document which recently added to RigER, it's a service parts requisition, which give us an ability to work with the multi-month repairs, because we need to track the balance of the inventory of our parts. And of course, if we consume parts in 1 month, it should be reflected in our books, and we need to write off those parts which we already use for that repair. Next month, probably we'll have another service part acquisition, and another one, and another one, depending on how many months we have in or periods. If you run your cycle counting one more often, then it could be not months but weeks, for example. And the service repair requisition as standard statuses, like approval statuses, and we can use this document to track movement of the parts from, for example, a parts department or parts shop to the repair area, to the repair shop. So let's see how it works in RigER.
Let's look close on the first scenario of repair process. It covers the situation when a technician finds a broken unit in the warehouse. We will use the related reports and dashboards parallelly to see the changes which take place during the process. When the unit requires a repair, the technician gets the unit number and opens the activity log dashboard. He types the number in to check if the unit is in the correct location and status. Here we can see that our unit is located in the main shop and in ready-to-rent status already for 10 days. The first step in repay will be to generate the defective unit list document. This document will remove any broken units from the rental fleet before any repair activities begin. Let's open the oil field, and in Repair section, choose the defective unit list to open the journal of these type of documents. Let's create a new one with Create button. As we are covering the whole process, some of the documents are backdated. Set the actual date and time when the unit was found defective and choose the repair location. It might be a special repair shop or department where the repair take place. The unit will be assigned to the repair location for the period the repair processed. Add an item and a unit number. The department will be populated automatically. And let's add comment. That could be a short description of the problem or any valuable information. Let's post the document and check how it changed the status of our unit number. Let's go back to Activity Log Dashboard and renew the information. As we can see here, the status changed to Need Repair, and the unit is no longer available for renting. Also, we can check the Need Repair report to get the information about all the units' numbers with Need Repair statuses. This report presents the information as of the end of the reporting day. Let's go back to the document and create a repair card with the Generate Internal RCs button. As we can see, the repair card based on our defective list has been generated. Before we proceed with Repair Card, let's open the Repair Dashboard. This dashboard is a portal with information about all repairs in the company and comes in effect as the repair card has been generated. As we created the repair card for our unit number, it automatically gets into dashboard with all related information. The dashboard also provides a direct access to the documents. Let's go to the repair card to continue the process. As we can see, the type of the repair card is automatically set as in-shop and marked as internal. The date and time of the document represents the date when the repair process starts, and the repair date and time will be the date of repair completion. It will be filled out along with a repair result when the unit will actually fixed. In header, we have all the information pulled from defective unit list. There is an option to categorize repairs depending on needs of the company. Let's assign the person responsible for the repair and start filling the tabs. The Parts tab is a place where the parts required for the repair are added. Only materials that are available in sufficient quantity at the repair location can be used. Optionally, the price columns can be filled to track the repair cost. Same approach is applicable to the Services tab. The provided services can be added, and a field technician can be assigned to each service. The price and quantity will be a part of repair cost if entered. The Crew tab designed for timesheets for each member of repair team. The Time tab can be used for repair planning. The RU Defect List tab is designed to categorize defects and collect statistics on rental unit defects, which cause the repairs to analyze equipment performance. Let's add a new defect to start collecting the data about this unit. In the Additional Attributes tab, the user can check and change unit number attributes. The Comments section serves as a space for comments. Once all the repair activities are completed and information is entered, record the repair date and time. Updating the repair result is required for the unit to be considered fixed and for the unit status to be changed. In case the repair result set as good, the unit will return to ready to rent status. If the result is set as non-repairable, the unit will receive the scrap status. Post the repair card with a post button. Let's open the activity log dashboard to confirm the unit returned to ready to rent status. To track the completed repairs in Oilfield Operations Reports, choose the Repair History Report. It will display all the repairs with details, which took place during the selected period. As the repair process completed, the unit is no longer visible in the repair dashboard. Let's also run the Rental Units Defects Report to see if the reason for repair has been recorded and included in the statistics. Here, we can observe that the defect identified in the repair card has been documented.
Happening each month. And this will give the manufacturer or the asset manager understanding what kind of type of equipment we'd like to use, what kind of effects happening, when and how. So this is how the standard repair card works. When we talk about post-job repairs, when we realize that post-job we required some repairs, we can move forward and run in the rental ticket return put a condition need repair, and then repair card will be generated. Let's see how it works.
Another scenario we will examine today is when the unit returned from the customer is broken and requires repair. The repair module in RigER is designed to create a repair card in shop automatically when the equipment is returned in the need repair condition in the rental ticket return. Let's create a new return ticket. For that purpose, in the original delivery ticket, let's click on Generate button and select Rental Ticket. The new ticket will be a return ticket, and all we need to do is to set the correct date and set the Need Repair status in the condition column of the returned unit. When the rental ticket is posted, the unit will be moved from customer location to the repair shop, and the repair card with a current date and time will be created. The system will inform about the new repair card, and the card will be linked to the rental ticket. It can be observed in the related document of the rental ticket. Let's open the journal and find the repair card we just created. As we can see, the document is not posted, as it awaits further actions. This case, as well as defective unit list, also covers the situation when the rental units are being repaired at our facility. However, the interface for the repair card is slightly different, and there is an additional information about the RSA and linked rental ticket in the header. The next step will be to fill out the repair card information. Let's start with a date. When a repair card automatically created, the current date and time is assigned. Put the required date and time, and check all information pulled from a base document. Set the responsible field tech in featuring and post the document. Let's add the parts required for the repair. In this scenario, we will include the additional document which is called Service Parts Requisition. This document is optional in the repair module and manages the approval process for using parts in repairs. It converts the list of parts required for repairs as detailed in the repair card into a parts requisition list that requires the manager's approval before the repair can proceed. Click on Generate button and select Service Parts Requisition. Set the date and time, choose the status for approval, and post the document. At this moment, the email notification can be set up to notify manager that his action is required. Let's return to Repair Cards Journal. Here we can see the red circle marker, which indicates that the Service Parts Requisition document has been created for that repair card, and it is waiting for the approval. Let's open the card. Here we can see that the Parts tab changed to SPR tab, where the information about the requisition part document is now recorded. When the parts will be approved, the approval columns will be updated.
So we introduced the service parts requisition again to track parts consumption from month to month. This will give us an ability to track a proper number of the inventory, which we need to cycle counting every single month.
Let's save our repair card and go back to the parts requisition document and approve our request. It can be done through the related document inside Repair Card. Select Approved in the Status drop-down menu and click on Post and close the document. Let's reopen the Repair Cards journal and observe the marker turn to green on our repair card, what indicates the approval has been received. The repair card will be updated automatically, and the approver's name will appear in the related column. That means the manager is aware about the repair details, and we can proceed with the repair activities. Once the repair is completed, set the repair date and the repair result. To finish the procedure, click on Post and Close button. The unit will return to rental fleet in a ready-to-rent status. The repair process for returned unit can be considered accomplished.
As then you see, we have two repair cards here in the item card. So in the repairs, you can see a list of documents associated with the repairs. So we have parts requisition, we have repair cards. So again, it gives you an ability to review all past repairs for this particular serial number. So when we talk about post job repairs, there are several ways. So we can change the condition in the return ticket, or more advanced scenario when we have inspection cards involved. It could be after job inspection, and then in the inspection card as an inspection result need repair, then the repair card will be generated. It's more advanced method, but again, today we will not cover this. We will have inspection webinar down the road, so in August. So the shop repairs have three different scenarios. When we have a defective unit list, so that happened when we need to convert items unit numbers from ready to rent to need repair status. We have post job without inspections and post job with inspections. Oh, those are shop repairs. And we are ready for the Q&A session 1. So let's have a short answer and questions and answers for that portion of our webinar.
So the first question is from John. Thank you, John. The question is it possible to create repair card manually from repair card list?
Good question. Very popular one. So unfortunately not. The repair card set up as a document which should be done by another document. And in this case, we need to build the chain of documents. So the logic of the entire system is that you couldn't change the status from any point. You need to build a certain event, a certain record in the system to start the repairs. And again, the decision about repairs in many organizations done by managers, so required some approvals and again associated with some cost.
Next two questions from Blake. So the question is, can the defect list be for the asset type? For example, all Cortec chokes or all Cortec control panels, or just for the specific asset?
Yes, it will be associated with the rental units. Each rental unit can have the list of defects. The global list of defects can be used for a particular unit. So say, for example, you have like 25 different global defects, but for this particular specific unit, you have only 5. That's possible to set up.
The next question is, how can I delete repair card if it was created by mistake?
Again, because the repair card is the chain of document, there is tricky answer here. So if we already have document past repairs, for example, invoice, we couldn't delete the repair card because we will compromise the integrity of the data. And in this case, we need to delete invoice and then delete the repair card. If we do not have the documents past the repairs, so in this case, yeah, we can mark the repair card as deleted. However, we need to change of the trigger document. Say, for example, if we have the delivery ticket with condition need repair, we need to change the condition there as well. So delete the repair card and change the condition well. So it's very manual process. That is why you need to be very caution about changing statuses and moving equipment to a particular to repairs or any other. So reverse is a way complex process, if you will. Yeah.
One more question. Is it possible to create one repair card for several unit numbers?
I think Alex will take it.
Hello, everyone. So for now, the repair card document is not intended to include multiple unit numbers, but several units can be added to the defective unit list document, and it will automatically generate the repair cards for each of them. However, if your company's business procedures require such a functionality, we can discuss it and make it happen.
Good, thank you. Great questions, and yeah, let's move forward. So the next scenario which we like to show today is the field repairs. Field repairs happen when our equipment deployed in the field and we need to fix it. And there are several scenarios there. So it could be done by a field technician on the fly. So you see that the field technician is close by to this particular location, a call and ask the person to do that, or you have a scheduled event and send this person right in the morning to fix it. So again, the situation here is pretty much the same. So we have a delivery or service ticket, and based on that, creating a repair card. Let me show you how it works.
With the third scenario, we will cover the situation when the repair takes place at the customer location. For that operation, the unit must be in a deployed status. Usually, the dispatcher generates the in-field repair card and assigns the technician to take care about the broken unit. The system can be set up in the way that the technician receives an email notification when he is assigned for a job. He can access the database through either a mobile device or a workstation. In this video, we will describe how the mobile application handles repair cards. First, open the activity log dashboard, which will serve as the workspace for creating a repair card. Enter the unit number in the unit number search field to filter out all other units. We can see that the unit number is in deployed status and at customer's location. Click on Field Repair Card button to generate the repair card. The new repair card will be created and opened for editing. The dispatcher needs to assign the field technician who will be responsible for filling out the repair card document and set the operations department. The operations department serves as the source for the parts that will be used during the repair. The date and time of the document, as well as the repair date and time, are set by default to current time, as it is suspected the unit will be fixed in field during the day, without a relocating. However, it can be changed to reflect the real timing. Let's set the status to In Process to block the document from editing while synchronization. Let's delete the repair time for now to update it later when the technician will fill his timesheet for this job in the document. Also, we will describe the issue in the comment section for the technician to understand what the problem with the unit is. At this stage, we can post and close the repair card, transferring responsibility from the dispatcher to the field technician.
So to do that, of course, we will not use a computer. We use a mobile application, and let's see how this particular repair card will appear in a mobile device, and what.
Let's have a look at the process from a field technician point of view. After email notification or call received, he opens the yellow field application on his mobile device and makes synchronization with a database. Let's open the repair cards journal and check the repairs which the technician was assigned to. As we can see, the repair card we just created is now available in mobile device. Let's open and fill it out with information. In the header tab, there will be an information about the job and a unit the technician needs to repair. Let's open the comments section to see the details. Once all necessary information is received, the technician begins his work. He can add the parts used for the repair in the Parts tab and any services provided in the Services tab. In this case, one repair kit was used, and 2 hours of labor time were spent. The technician is responsible for adding the correct quantities of the parts used, while the dispatcher will assign the cost of the parts later. In the Time tab, the technician sets the start and end time of his work hours. These timesheets serves as an additional point of control for management to assess the correspondence of the work done to the time spent. The comment section is used to record the information related to repair. There is enough space to provide as more details as possible for further reference. Let's go back to the Header tab and set the repair result. If the technician decides the repair is caused by incorrect equipment usage, he can activate the billable switch to include the cost of repair into customer's invoice. It can be changed later. Once all data is entered, the document status needs to be changed to for approval. Once it's done, the ticket will be locked and ready for synchronization with the database. This step is irreversible and must be undertaken responsibly. At this stage, the technician's role is complete, and it is the dispatcher who finalizes the repair card document.
So this mobile application works with offline mode, and it will require synchronization before and after the job started.
Once synchronization has occurred, the repair card is updated in the database with all the information added by the technician. The dispatcher, or any responsible for the repair costs person, needs to open and finalize the repair card. Let's open the repair card's journal and find the one we need to complete. Let's check the parts and set the prices. Confirm the services and set the cost. Check the technician timesheet and the repair date. It will be adjusted according to the technician work hours. However, it can be changed as necessary. Observe the Comment tab to get the information and make any desired changes. Confirm everything is correct, and set the status for done or invoiced depending on the process flow. Click on Post and Close button to complete the procedure.
And the last thing which we'd like to stress and show here is the several parts of reports which can be printed, saved as a PDF, export to Excel, or sent by email. You see all those buttons at the top of each report. So the need repair report, which we mentioned, showing you the list of items in need repair status. You understand where they're located, what is the status. And a good thing that this particular field is clickable, and you can open the unit number, and you can open the rental ticket right from here, right from the report. List of repair tickets and showing all the repair tickets in the system, and you can see the entire historical data for the each repairs. Unit technical history, it's another document combining maintenance, inspections, and repairs, and by serial number you can see all the records which we have for this particular serial number, including external and internal comments, the document notes, and other significant information for this particular serial number. This is it for today. We are ready for your questions.
The question from Alex: is it possible to use mobile repair card in shop?
Yes, we have another applications which works online, and repair can be a part of this shop mobile app.
Another question is why I do not see repair card in RigER?
Yes, so the viewing of all documents is regulated by user's role in the system, and to have an access to repair cards for viewing or editing, the user must have the role of field technician or field supervisor, operation manager, or dispatcher. And if you believe you have one of these roles and still don't see the repair cards, just don't wait, shoot us a message. support ticket and we're gonna fix it.
Yeah, the repair module could be activated. So this is another reason why the repairs could not be seen in the system. We need to activate repair module as well.
Another question. We'd like to track defects and issues for the item. What do we need to do?
Good question. So first of all, you need to build a list of all the defects which you have with your units and classify them in some way. And after that, the second step is to assign those defects to a particular units and start using them in the repair cards. So the repair cards will have a record about the defects happening in the particular months. And then you will run the report, which will show you number of defects in a particular month, so you can analyze the issues or problems happening and how often that happened in a particular period of time.
Another question from Blake. Is there a way to upload template repair cards for each unit type, or sort of checklist that the technicians need to follow during the repair card?
Yeah, this is a very standard procedure. However, the checklist is the inspection card in RigER. So in this particular situation, we need to have a combination between repair card and inspection. An inspection card, and understand how they should work together. We have several combinations set up in RigER. When we have the inspection first with their triggers, it could be pre-job, post-job, then repairs. Or another scenario, it could be inspection first, repairs, and inspection second inspection, usually around the QC. So, and those are checklists. What we see with the organizations with separate of duties, we have one person who inspect the units and another person who is repair them. If your organization work and the guys run that simultaneously, we probably need to sit down and decide how this should looks like.
I have another question. The question is there an app available for Android users?
Yes, we're working on it. So we have the application. Our major application is for Apple users, but we have built for Android users as well. Need to double check what because we have 6 different mobile apps, and need to double check what kind of apps we're talking about. They update it regularly. So Apple application mobile apps updates regularly. Android on demand.
And here you can see the schedule for the next webinars. We'll have the next one on equipment maintenance on July 11, and then equipment work and equipment inspections end of July and beginning of August. We will be sending invites in emails and social media, so just stay tuned and sign up for the webinars.
And thank you for being with us today. Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.